breaking news coming in from Karnataka viewers. Clean chit given to Siddaramaiah, the Karnataka Chief Minister, in the Muda scam. Lokayukta says no proof against the Chief Minister and his wife Parvati. That's a big development coming in the Muda scam case. No evidence found, says the Lokayukta, against Chief Minister of Karnataka Siddaramaiah or his wife and the others there are allegations against. So remember, viewers, Siddaramaiah is facing allegations of illegalities in the allotment of 14 sites to his wife Parvati and by the Mysuru Urban Development Authority. And the Lokayukta police has said now that no evidence has been found against the Chief Minister or his wife and the others in this case. In fact, viewers, that's one of the updates that we're getting in right now. Siddaramaiah's wife and even brother-in-law, from whom Swami had purchased the land, that is B.M. Mallikarjun Swami, who's the mother-in-law, and gifted it to Parvati. Others had been named in an FIR registered by the Lokayukta. My colleague Smita joins us live on the broadcast from the Republic Kannada newsroom. It's a relief, at least for now, as far as Siddaramaiah and his wife is concerned in the Muda scam.
Exactly. This is a deliberate attempt to give relief to Chief Minister Siddaramaiah by the Lokayukta, the investigative agency is what the complainant Snehamai Krishna is saying, because he is very clear that Lokayukta has given a notice to him saying that there are no, evidences, proof to show that there was the involvement of Chief Minister Siddaramaiah or his influence was used in the Muda scam is what the Lokayukta has given the reason in the notice given to Snehamai Krishna. Rakshita, let me show out my audience few documents, which are very few amongst 1,000+ documents that Republic Kannada has exposed during the continuous coverage of this Muda case. The first document which is in my hand is the document given by Chief Minister Siddaramaiah's wife Parvati to the Muda authority, in which there was a whitener mark. There was a whitener mark in which they had clearly tried to erase out the place mentioned that should be given as a compensation for her. This is the document where we can see the mark. This I have marked with a marker, but there was a whitener mark in this copy. Is this not the influence? Is this not a way of influencing the Muda authority by the Chief Minister's wife to allot a specific site as a compensation is the first question. And the second document I have in my hand is the document given by yet again Chief Minister's wife Parvati to the same Muda authority, saying that she needs the compensation in 50-50 formula, which was clearly not the formula in which the Muda was allotting the site to those landowners who lost their land during the notification. And the third document which I have in my hand is a document by the Muda itself. This is the document regarding the meeting which was held by Muda. In that meeting, Yatindra Siddaramaiah, who is the son of Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, was also presiding in the meeting where the decision to allot site to Chief Minister's wife under the formula of 50-50 was decided. Is this not a way of influence or intervention in the Muda activity is the question which has to be asked. And one more document, here we can see the seal and sign of Dhruva Kumar, who is allegedly the close aide of Chief Minister Siddaramaiah. Under his chairmanship, all the decisions regarding the Muda and the site allotment to Chief Minister Siddaramaiah's wife Parvati was taken. And one more proof that Republic Kannada has exposed. Why did Chief Minister give back 14 sites which was under his wife's name after the Lokayukta started the investigation? These 5 questions, aren't these proof enough for the Lokayukta investigative agency to see that there is some missing links in the case? But whereas I have just showed 5 documents, but as I was saying from beginning, we have 1,000+ documents which are RTI based documents. Is this not documents the proof for the Lokayukta investigative agency, which has said that there is no evidences, there is no proof to show that Siddaramaiah or his wife or his wife's brother or the landowner Devraj has any misappropriation or have any influence in the Muda scam is the bigger question that Republic Kannada is extensively asking in this case.